Hey creators, it's Shayna from Krause Kreations, and in this video I'll be showing you our keychains. Hi, I'm Shayna and welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about keychains. In our Krause Kreations shop, we offer two varieties of keychains. So this right here, this is the shorty keychain. It is 3 inches in length. And then here you'll see the original keychain, which is 6 inches in length. All right, so you can tell the difference by me holding it like this. This is the 3 inch, this is the 6 inch. The shorty keychain will come with the personalization of the letter that you would like. So this is the letter S right here, and then on the other side we have a letter Q. And then with the original keychain, you'll see that it can be customized with a phrase or a word or a name or anything like that. So just keep in mind that when you're ordering the original keychain, the text can be longer, but when you're ordering the shorty keychain, it is limited to just 1 character on either side. So if you decide to hop on over to our website and purchase a fabric keychain, you'll see on the drop down box you see here, you'll get to select what fabric you'll be using. So this right here, this is the Air Force OCP fabric, and then this right here, this is the Air Force ABU fabric. Inside, this is the webbing part, so this is black webbing right here. And then you'll also get to select what color thread you would like with your customization. So here pictured, this is hot pink thread, all right? This would be the teal thread. We have orange customization here, and then another pink customization here. All of the fabric keychains offered come with silver hardware, as you see here, and a split ring pictured here. If you enjoyed this video at all, I would love for you to hit that like button. Better yet, if you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to pound that subscribe button, all right? Also, you can find me on all the social medias as Krause Kreations 100. I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching.